Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we have the Shado mobile from the Gerry Anderson series UFO from IMAI company. This boxing is a mid-80s release. The original mold dates from the early 70s, and it's a combination model kit and toy, shall we say, and I'll show you why when we look inside. So there's the box art right there. And if we open it up, we will go through quickly the instructions. The instructions are all in Japanese, but you can get Google Translate, and that will nicely do that if you need it. So the instructions basically cover very, very simple assembly. As you can see here, it's actually, like I say, more of a toy than anything. The tracks are fixed, I'll show you that, and there's wheels, and it shoots missiles and stuff like that. So goes into putting the springs in for the missiles, putting the body together with the blue backing, I'll show you that. The mini skydiver, which comes out the back end. And then the other side is basically putting the wheels on, putting the one-piece tracks on, and the last little bits and bobs, and how to load the missiles and how to load the mini skydiver. Anyway, that's that. First off, we have the decals. Let me put them the right way. Very basic. Hopefully they're in good shape after all these years. We'll find out when I build this thing. So this represents Shado 3, the mobile. Then we have this piece of very thin plastic. It's used at the back for where the skydiver goes in. You're supposed to fold it, and then it allows a launching point for that. Okay. This is the black sprue with, like I say, one-piece sprues. The underside with the logo underneath, showing the manufacturer, and the wheels. Very simple plastic, not a lot of detail, although there is a little bit in the driving compartment area. So you've got like a speedometer, looks like a clock, some other little dials. As I say, one-piece track wheels. Then next up we have the skydiver itself, the rear door, some of the other smaller detail parts. And then we have the two sides of the actual Shado mobile body, which go together. There's some fine recessed panel lines in here. Like I say, there's where the blue thing goes in to represent the internal bracing there. Then we have the little baggie, which I haven't opened. This contains the launcher for the skydiver and for the springs for the missile, as well as the metal axles for the wheels, whereas I said it's more toy-like. You can see that. And then last but not least, not in great shape, the front panel. That's going to have to get dipped and polished up a bit. The front glass, it didn't come protected. And that's it. The only other thing that's in here is a safety sheet. I ran that through Google Translate, and it's a safety sheet, basically what to watch for, don't cut yourself, stuff like that. So that is the Shado 3 mobile. Now, I understand there's a new build coming out. I believe it's from Round 2 or AMT. But in the meantime, if you want your fix, you can get it this way. A lot of when I bought this at the London Southwestern Scale Model Show, there was two other ones there, so it is available. I got it for $15. Not a bad deal in my own opinion. And that's it. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the Scale Model podcast. Thank you and be well.